The date of the event is expected to be confirmed next week. The iPhone 15 Pro is expected to be unveiled at a special event next month, on September 12th. Unlike its predecessor, which had a stainless steel frame, the iPhone 15 Pro and its companion model are rumored to have a titanium frame. Apple has established a yearly tradition of releasing a new paint job that is unique to the iPhone Pro. Last year, for example, the company released a special purple color for the iPhone 14 Pro review. This year, the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max are expected to debut in new gray and blue hues, according to 9to5Mac. The outlet claims that the former will replace the standard gold iPhone variant that has been available for years and be appropriately named Titan Gray to match the titanium chassis of the pair. Custom blue color is rumored to be the new special variant for the iPhone 15 Pro. The hue is expected to replace the deep purple of its predecessor, but the color is still unnamed, putting it in the same category as gray. Space gray and silver were also mentioned as possible color choices for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. A render of the device shows that this color will resemble matte gray on the glass panel and have a lighter titanium frame finish. Nevertheless, keep in mind that this is not an official image of the colorway and that it may still differ in real life. The standard Apple iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus models are expected to be available in pink, yellow, green, black, and blue. Exactly to the Pro models, these were also rumored to have a frosted rear glass, but in terms of other features and specs, they are anticipated to have an aluminum chassis rather than the more durable titanium. It is anticipated that the iPhone 15 Pro will have a larger storage capacity, 6 or 8 GB of RAM, and an Apple A17 Bionic chipset. All of the Pro models will use a new programmable action button, and the Pro Max in particular is expected to have a new periscope camera. The USB-C port will replace the Lightning port on the iPhone, and each colorway will come with a braided data cable that matches. The iPhone 15 Pro may benefit from Thunderbolt 3.0 or 4.0 connectivity, according to a recent leak. It was rumored that the Cupertino business was planning on a special event for September 12th, which is most likely when the iPhone 15 series will be unveiled. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.